Welcome to this easy yoga flow for everyday practice. Stand tall in mountain pose, grounding your feet into the earth.
Bring your palms together and take a deep, calming breath. Gently release your neck, letting go of any tension.
Move slowly and stay connected to your breath. Roll your shoulders back, opening the chest. Let the shoulders soften as you continue breathing. Twist gently, keeping the spine tall. Feel your body waking up with each movement. Reach up and stretch the side body with ease. Fold forward slowly, allowing your head and neck to relax. Lift halfway, lengthening through the spine. Exhale and fold a little deeper. Step back into plank, engaging your core. Lower down with control, keeping the movement smooth. Lift your chest into cobra, shoulders relaxed. Press back into downward dog, hips reaching high.
Gently bend one knee at a time, stretching the legs.
Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Lift your arms and open through the chest. Rise into warrior one, strong and steady. Open your hips into warrior two, gaze forward. Reach back gently, creating space along the side body.
Extend fully, maintaining stability and ease.
Return to downward dog, breathing deeply. Step your left foot forward, coming into a gentle, low lunge. Rise up into warrior one, grounding through your back foot. Open into warrior two, arms reaching in opposite directions.
Reverse your warrior, creating space along the side body.
Extend through the body, keeping strength and balance.
Shift into tree pose, finding your balance and focus.
Lift your arms and grow tall like a tree.
Sit back into chair pose, engaging your legs.
Twist gently to the right, keeping your chest open.
Switch sides, moving slowly with control. Fold forward and allow your body to relax.
Lift halfway, lengthening the spine.
Step back into plank, strong and stable.
step back into plank, strong and stable. Move to the other side, staying steady. Come down to all fours, aligning your hands and knees. Round the spine into cat pose. Drop the belly and lift the chest into cow pose.
Move with your breath, slowly and gently.
Feel the spine warming up.
Rest in child's pose, allowing the body to relax.
Slowly come up to a seated position. Fold forward, stretching the back of the legs. Twist gently to the right. Switch sides with ease. Lift into boat pose, engaging your core.
Hold strong, breathing steadily.
Lift your hips into bridge pose.
Open the chest and breathe.
Draw your knees in and release.
Let your legs fall to the right.
Move slowly to the other side. Lift your hips into bridge pose.
Relax into happy baby pose. Allow the hips to soften.
Stretch the right leg gently. Fold forward and allow your body to relax. Switch to the left leg. Stretch the entire body. Roll gently onto your side.
Come into a comfortable seated position. Stretch the right side of the body.
Focus on slow, deep breathing. Stay present in this moment.
Enjoy the calm within.
Lie back into Savasana.
Allow your body to fully rest.
And let go of all effort.
Breathe naturally. Notice each breath.
Begin to awaken the body.
Roll gently onto your side. Slowly come back to a seated position.
Take a moment to thank yourself.
Thank you for practicing this easy yoga flow.